everybody, welcome back. So I was lucky. Happened to be at Bass Pro. Had to meet the girlfriend's parents today over in the Ville, and happened to swing by the Bass Pro. I've been begging to get some of these. Don't want to pay crazy shipping and handling for something that doesn't even weigh a pound. Not going to pay it. So I was at the Bass Pro checking out the MREs as usual, and they had it. The 2-pack pepperoni pizza! Yes, the pepperoni pizza, like the shit. So they had it. The only thing that sucks about their 2-pack, you get 2 little pepperoni pizzas, no FRH. I would think Bridgeford would have some FRHs in their little things, if that's what they're going to do, is make it a meal. So the cool thing is, pretty fresh. They only had one though, one 2-pack. It was made on the 275th day of 2018. So I thought that was pretty freaking cool. So check out your Bass Pros. They seem to have them at some of them. I know other people have said online that they forgot them. So check out your Bass Pros, and later this evening I'll review the pizza cold, and I gotta dig through my go bag and find an FRH that I can burn. But I'll check out one of my FRHs, heat it up, see if it's any better. Most people say it's not, but we'll see. So y'all have a good night. I'll check y'all. I'll get the other video loaded later.